How to track your orders on DoorDash. What is up, everyone? Today I'll show you guys a quick and easy method to track your orders on DoorDash. The first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your DoorDash application. And then once you land on your homepage, in order to get to your order section, you'll find different tabs at the bottom of your screen. Just tap on the Me tab. And then from here, all you're going to have to do is find the Orders tab right here at the top. So tap on orders, and if you've made any orders, it will show up right here. Now tap on the order that you've placed, and you should see a page something like this with a map. And right under where it says order received, you have the option. So when you've placed your order, it will show you when it's received. Then if it's delivering, you'll see a little car icon right around here. You could just go ahead and see how the progress bar moves. So once it's at the restaurant, you will see the car moving. And when it starts delivering, you'll see all of the bars moving all the way to the end, indicating that your order has been delivered. So that's basically how you track your orders on DoorDash. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.